Lift up the machine by manual forklift. Make sure the 4 footnuts are aligned with the base. Install the screws to fix the feed rack. Put the machine on the ground. Tighten the screws. Connect the wire, then tighten the screws. Connect our ST end to the corresponding interface, where our ST is the live wire and N is the neutral wire. Turn on the machine. If the hot air gun blows air outwards, wire connection completed. If the hot air gun sucks air inwards, it means you need to change connections. Swap the RST wires connections until the hot air gun blows air outwards. Connect the air compressor hose to the air pressure valve interface. After connecting the air, the pressure gauge will display the pressure. Pull up the valve switch to adjust. To decrease the air pressure, rotate counterclockwise. To increase the air pressure, rotate clockwise. Adjust the air pressure to about 0.6 MPa. Confirm the air pressure and press the valve to lock it. The machine's oil circulation requires 46 hydraulic oil. Add hydraulic oil to cover the filter. Remove the screw from the silicone oil bottle. Align the hole and add silicone oil. Add an appropriate amount of silicone oil, then set screw back. Before feeding the paper, make sure the film-coated side is facing down. Pass the paper through the second roller from below when inserting it into the feeding device. After pulling it out from between the 2 rollers, pull the handle to tightly press the bottom paper. Turn on power and paper feeder switch. The paper feeding device automatically feeds the paper out. Continue to insert the paper into the paper feeding track. Pass it through the embossing device, leaving it exposed from the front. Continue to pass it through the cutting blade. Finally, pass it out from the waste discharge port. Turn on the bottom paper cylinder to press the bottom paper Till now, paper feeding system is set completed. You can control key parameters via the display, including adjustable operation speed and test mode speed. No need to change bottom paper length frequently. Set it according to the size of the unfolded paper cover. For molds of fixed size, once set, no changes are needed. Color marks alarms can be set according to the printing marks. No need to set it for non-printed ones. You can view the total output and the batch output settings. Long press to reset the output quantity. Control the brushing frequency of silicone oil via setting brush quantity. Set 1 pcs means to brush oil to each pcs. Speed up and speed down buttons controls the speed of production. The bottom paper cylinder button controls the bottom paper cylinder. Once the cylinder lifted, bottom paper feeding stopped. Negative pressure fan switch controls the fan. The fan must be turned on after machine being turned on. The air energy is necessary for machine's operation. Please don't change parameters in setting interface. Will complete system setting be for shipping? The I/O interface monitors each part of machine. When in test mode, you can jog individual components for testing. Set 3 heaters operating temperature. Turn on the bottom paper cylinder and negative pressure fan. Then confirm that all heaters have reached the set temperature. Simultaneously press the 2 on buttons to turn on the machine.